For so many reasons, you might be wanting to remove any cache in your Steam or the game you're playing. To do that, there's a couple of ways that I'm going to teach you. But before that, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's begin clearing the cache of the Steam first. Click on the Steam icon right here and then hit on the settings. There's this storage button right here. Click on it and then click on these three dots right here and then repair library. This button will run a checksum against all the games in your library to ensure the games are not corrupted or modded. Then it makes repairs to the files if possible. Now there's one more step that you need to do to complete this step. Hover your mouse over this download tab and then click on it. There's this clear cache right here. Click on it and then hit on the confirm. The Steam will be restarted and then all the cache will be deleted. Now let's start clearing the cache of the Counter-Strike 2. First, right click on the game and then hit on the properties and then install files. Click on verify button and wait for a couple of minutes. Then hit on the browse icon and follow my instructions. Right click on CS2, properties, compatibility tab, run the program in compatibility mode and then select Windows 8. Make sure to check this disable full screen optimization and then apply and OK. Now it's time to check for updates and see if there's any updates for your graphic cards. As you can see, my software is up to date and I don't need no updates for my computer.